it's August back here with another C# tutorial. I'm gonna be explaining methods and how they work. Okay. Okay. Number one. What is a method before we start jumping into creating a project? Okay. A method is a group of statements that together perform a task. Okay. Every method has at least one class. Okay. And actually each class has at least one method. Okay, powerful. And to make use of a method, number one, we need to define that specific method, and then after defining that, we can then call that specific method to perform that specific task. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new console application. Okay, there we go. Let's call this one methods. And let's create that. Okay, I will do that later. Okay, powerful. And then let's add the public there, and let's also add the public there. Okay, let's close this. Okay, powerful. And then automatically when we create a program, it's gonna come with a method, which is our main method, which is this one. And I usually call this the application method. Okay, because whatever we're gonna be doing within our program can never run unless we invoke it within this specific method. Okay, so let's say we want to do what? Let's see. Let's see. What can we build? Okay, let's just call a method that is going to display the following information. Okay, our string has to be a small letter s. Let's say string name is equal to, okay, no, let's create a method that is going to calculate an age. Let's declare int age. Actually, not the age. Let's go console dot write line. Okay, and then let's ask the user to enter there. Okay, actually let's say enter your year of birth. Okay, and then as soon as the user enters that, we're gonna say int year is equal to, let's convert to int 32, and then let's pass the console that is going to read the line. Okay, and then let's close that. Okay, and now we have the year. Okay, so let's now create a method. Let's define a method that is going to calculate the current age, or the age of that specific person. Number one, when creating a method, we need to specify the access specifier. So in this case, our method is going to be public. That is our access specifier. And then on top of that, we need, secondly, this is supposed to be static, okay? And now the next thing that we need to include is the return type of this specific method. So it's going to be an integer since it's going to be an age, okay? And then now the name of the method, let's call it get age, okay? And then also within this, there's going to be a list of parameters that we need to pass into this. So in this case, we're going to pass the integer, which is the year, okay? Okay, powerful. So now within this method, this is the body of the method. Now we are within the body of the method, so we now need to perform the calculations that are required to calculate the age, okay? So let's go ahead and say int current year is equal to what, 2019, okay? So since we have that, we can do the calculations anyhow, okay? But I would prefer returning what? Let's go ahead and open parenthesis. It's what? It's your year of birth, which is year, subtracting what? The current year, okay? So that's what we are returning. This is what the method does. It just does what? It calculates the age, okay? So now we need to get the age on the other side. So let's go ahead and declare int age and equate it to the method get age, and then on that method we need to pass in what? The year. Are we on the same page? Now let's go ahead and display that, which is console.writeLine. And then before we jump into displaying, let's skip and then say your age is and then we add the age, okay? And then let's add the console dot read, not line, but read the key, okay? So now let's run our method and see what happens. Okay, powerful. It says enter your year of birth, which is 1999, and then your age is minus 20. Okay, you can remove the minus there by using a number of different tools. You can add a minus sign this side, and then let's run that again, and then it's 1999, and then it says your age is 20. Okay, that's how you remove the minus sign. Or the other way of removing the minus sign, it's by swapping this two. Let's cut that, put it this side, and then this side we say yeah, okay? And then you can start that 1999, your age is 20, okay? Okay, powerful. So what we did here was we created this method that is going to calculate our age, okay? And we invoked the method here, okay? And you can also, let's comment this out, do that and delete that. You can also invoke your method in the display part, and then save that. Let's run this. Okay, let's close that. There is something wrong. We are missing a bracket here, and then run that. 1999, your age is 20, okay? So what your method does is that it returns an integer of which is 20, or that specific integer is your current year, age, I mean, not year. Okay, so that's how we use methods, and we can use methods in different scenarios. Okay, but that's one way of using a method. Okay, so this method has a return. It's a returning method because it returns something at the end of the day. But looking at this method up here, it is void, meaning the return type is void. It doesn't give anything out at the end of the day. Everything that we put within this method stays within this method. Okay, but whatever we put in this method, we expect something in return. Okay, that's why it has to return something at the end of the day. Okay, so that is it from me and methods. I'll see you guys next time with another C# tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Cheers.